I'm also fascinated by, obviously, what's in the product is super high quality, but what constitutes its quality is also what's not in it. Like some of these other funky things that are found in more of the conventional commercial. So talk to me about some of the other maybe shocking contaminants that can be found in regular baby food, regular baby formulas.
Right after Della was born, so right after we launched, we had a news cycle of heavy metals in baby food, and I was like, "Wait, what?" I hadn't ever heard of this, and I was shocked, disappointed. I mean, mostly furious
Mm-hmm.
that our government doesn't care about what goes into baby food products. And I was like, dang, do we have that in ours? How do we figure this out? So we made a key hire very early to hire a director of quality to build our own heavy metals program because the FDA wasn't going to put any limits on us. And we wanted to have the best we could get. Mostly because, I mean, yes, we're in it for the babies, but we were feeding this to our own kid.
Yeah.
You know, I was sure we were going to make our own baby food because it's a little bit better to be fresher, right? But I made it exactly 0 times. So I'm like, all right, if I'm feeding my kid this stuff, I need to figure out how do we keep all this garbage, plasticizers and pesticides, all these contaminants out? So we built our own heavy metals program that was kind of a combination of some California laws, European laws, and we're really proud of it. That was 4 years ago, and we're on the cutting edge of the heavy metals regulation program. We've shown our heavy metals test results to some key people in the industry, and their jaws are on the floor.
Mm-hmm.
They're like, wait a second. We have baby food companies all over the place telling us they can't do this. And here you are doing it. And it's the program we built out, the relationships we have with our farmers, the understanding we have of the soil and how we get better quality,
Mm-hmm.
free from heavy metals kinds of vegetables, which there's a lot more work to do in that space, which we're tackling this year and beyond. But it has to do with where it comes from. It has to do with the land again, right? And making sure that if we have this sensitive population, why not give them the best of what we have, right? Let's figure out how to get the best for at least the smallest, most vulnerable people we have.
Yeah.
Yeah, we say every bite counts is our motto. And so if every bite's going to count, how do you get the most nutrition and the least toxicity per bite? So our products are tested for over 200 different environmental contaminants by the Clean Label Project.
Mm-hmm.
They verify that our products are all best in class. And then just ingredient wise, obviously no added sugars, no industrial seed oils. We don't ever use grains. We consider them a filler, just a kind of a low nutrition, high inflammation filler that's just not, if you're going to feed a baby, it's not the most nutrition per bite. And then we generally stay away from most allergens. A lot of the allergens are a grain or a legume anyway, things like gluten. We have a wild-caught salmon product, which is technically an allergen for fish, but it's very, very clear. We use a little bit of coconut in our dairy-free smoothies. But otherwise, we're pretty much free from allergens and other high inflammation ingredients.
Hello friends, if you enjoyed that clip, then you can watch the entire thing by heading to this link over here, or you can find us wherever you find podcasts by searching Radical Health Radio. If there's value here, please hit that like button, let us know in a comment what your biggest takeaway was, and hit subscribe, support the show as we support you. We'll see you soon.